This is our mini storage bin. There's really nothing mini about it, but let's check this out. This guy is squished down a lot at our house, but once you use it a lot, it's going to stand up really nice for you. This bin is great to organize the entry, your closet, under the sinks, your pantry, you name it. It's got a lot of great uses. So it has the features of handles here on the side. It has a square bottom and a round top. So it fits perfectly in one of the storage units from IKEA to keep your toys contained. You can personalize the front, okay, so that everybody knows what's inside. It's going to be great to hold those belts and scarves, flip-flops, whether it's summer or seasonal times as well. It comes in really cute patterns during the different seasons, so make sure to check out our catalog and online for our current patterns that we have right now. Again, this is the mini storage bin.